On the one hand, we have Jewish Culture Festival in Krakow. On the other hand, we are considered as a country of Auschwitz. Have you been to Auschwitz?
Yes, I've been there a few years ago. I was quite old because grandfather died there and I had no power to go there to see this place. And then I found in newspaper information about great guy. His name is Bernie Glassman, Zen Peacemakers from New York. And partly his family was killed at Auschwitz. And 20 years ago he came to Auschwitz and he said, okay, we should start to pray here and meditate. And since 20 years, each year, 100 people from all over the world comes to this place once a year in the autumn to meditate every day in Auschwitz-Birkenau. And I did it. I knew that I don't want to be a visitor of this place. I want to participate and to do something with this place for me and maybe for the others. And the great sentence which Bernie Glassman is saying is, Auschwitz is a teacher. And when I came there in the beginning, I could not understand this sentence. But the strong process through which you are going there, especially when you are family connected to the place, makes that you start to understand what he wants to say, that this is the place, the terrible place about humans, what humans can do to each other, and how important it is to remember and to do everything that it never happened again. This sentence can be banal for some people, but now, again, it's very important, and forever. I hope my grandfather and all others didn't die there for nothing. I hope that we as humans, we will learn from this, what happened and what we did and what it was done to us. This time in Auschwitz and all our research for the book we made and for film made that I'm not thinking about myself anymore as someone from some nation. I'm thinking about myself as a human being. I'm a human being. And I am in all these dangers which concern human beings. And more conscious I am of it because of my past. More I want to say in a very loud voice, people watch out. And now these tensions grow again, so sometimes I can't believe that people can be so stupid, that we can be so stupid. But I have hope.